The adapter and foot pedal. Connect the adapter by inserting the jack plug into the DC input and the jack plug of foot pedal into the foot pedal input. Then you can use the foot pedal to control the machine instead of using the hand switch. More easier and convenient to operate. Caution: make sure the foot pedal and adapter are unplugged from the machine when you're not using it, so the sewing machine won't accidentally start up. Installing the batteries. Remove the battery compartment under the bottom of machine. Insert 4x AA batteries into the compartment per the positive and negative signs on the box and replace the battery cover. Caution: 1. Make sure the power switch is on the off position when inserting or changing the batteries. 2. The adapter and batteries cannot be used at the same time, otherwise will cause the damage on machine. Please take out the batteries when using adapter. 3. The batteries should be inserted in right positive and negative position direction, otherwise the machine will not work. Using the